Brad Williams, Excel primed. How about we look at the exact function? It's straightforward. The exact, well, we've used this in the past. We're looking for exact. In other words, orange has to be exactly the same in the second column. If not, we're going to throw a false. We're going to use that exact formula. It's going to, if it's true, it's going to give us a true. Otherwise, you can try this. B5 is equal to each. This is going to say true. Or I mean, when it happens, F9, we have a true here. Control down. The key thing here is two factors. It has to be case sensitive and then it has to match. You can see we have a true here and we have a true here because they are true. But F9 has just happened to be true. And so far, they're both working. You can see cherry cherry is true. And this is actually stating the same thing, true. But you can see case sensitive wise, they do match. I'm trying to find a case sensitive and not case sensitive cherries that match. F9, false, false, false. You can see here. This is where you can't use this equals because we have case sensitive upper. We have an uppercase deal and then we have just a normal with the first letter. You could see the weakness in this other approach. So get rid of this. And that's the exact function. All right, over here on your right, if you need to read more, you can. We're going to incorporate this in other applications. We have an if statement here. You can use this value within the if function to display a message or perform a calculation based on a condition. So if it's true, you can say, instead of false or true, you can say yes or no. Just insert this if statement. Test if cells are exactly equal. It's either true or false. Brad Williams, Excel primed.